Alrighty. Hello everybody, this is Overdose over at THS, and today I'm going to do the Zorz PHP upload write-up video for that challenge. This is a pretty cool challenge. Once again, I learned some new things along the way. Um, it's a pretty cool VM. Uh, but let's go ahead and jump right into this one, shall we? So let's open up a terminal. Let's see. Let's do a netdiscover -I WLAN 1. And in the other video on Freshly, I explained some of these features or these commands. But netdiscover -I -I is what you set your interface to. And if you don't know what your interface is, just do an if config. And as you can see here, I'm on WLAN 1. So that's basically how you do that. So it'll be netdiscover -I WLAN 1. Alright, there we go. Let's go do a 181. Let's go ahead and do an mmap scan. SS V -A D5 -V dude. Alright. So once again, SS is going to be a stealth scan, SYN scan. SV is going to be a service scan. -A is going to try and guess the operating system of the VM. -T5 is the speed of which the scan will go through. And -V is for verbosity or verbose, which just shows you all this stuff as it's doing it along the way. So as we can see, we have port 22 and port 80 open. Let's go ahead and navigate to port 80. Alright. 192.168.1.181. Zorz image uploader. Alright. So you can just, upload whatever you want. Upload a, don't worry, ma'am, we're from the internets. But, yeah, so just, download a picture. If you already have a picture, whatever you want it to be, let's see if we can upload it. Upload image. Sweet. Let's go ahead and see if it's there. Let's see. What .jpeg? There we go. So, as we can see, it uploaded successfully. Let's see if we can upload a reverse shell. Oh, my bad. Didn't mean to do that. .php. Uploaded successfully. So, for this first one, I'm going to show you another way to do this. And I'm just going to show you a nice little tool called Weavly. And for this, you can just hit enter. You can see the options you have. We're going to do generate PHP backdoor. So Weavly generate, and then for the password of the backdoor, the PHP backdoor, you can make it whatever you want for the password. You could be like hi. Oh, it has to be longer than 3 characters, my bad. hi. So there we go. As we can see, generate.php backdoor file weavly.php created with password hi. Awesome. Let's go ahead and browse weavly.php. Let's go ahead and open this. Upload it. File is valid and was successfully uploaded. So let's navigate there to uploads 1. And as we can see, let's see. It's going to be this one right here, I believe. So in order to activate this, what we're going to do is we're going to do Weebly again, Weebly URL, then the password. So Weebly HTTP // 192.168.181 slash uploads 1 slash Weebly dot php hi. Now, I put hi after that because if you remember earlier, when we created this backdoor, we set the password for it to be hi. That, that's all you gotta do. So now we have a shell. We can do cool stuff. We can navigate. Let's see if we can get the Etsy password file. There we go. Let's do ID. There we go. That's basically, for this first upload one. There's gonna be two more challenges. For this first one, for an image uploader, this one I would guess was doing no checks whatsoever, no file extension checks, not checking the header, all that good stuff what a normal image uploader should do. You should check the headers, you should check the file extension, have proper filtering put in, and all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and try Zorz Image Uploader 2. Let's go ahead and browse. Let's see, we can upload a picture. Alrighty, as you can see, I uploaded this picture before, but so success, image / JPEG. Sorry, file already exists. Sorry, your file was not uploaded. And it's alright. We already, it works. Just here, let me just show you. Let's go ahead and change this to what to 1. So then you can get a real good see on what it should say and all that good stuff. So there we go. The file what1.jpg has been uploaded. Let's go ahead and check that out. Let's go to uploads 2. And there we go. So it uploads. Let's try that reverse PHP shell again. Because in the first one it uploaded. File is not an image type. Sorry, only JPEG, PNG, and GIF files are allowed. So this one has some checking going on, which is good. Let's see if we could upload that Weebly PHP shell. Let's go and browse. Let's go to root weebly.php upload. So this time, it's saying, hey, your file does not meet the description. Well, there are multiple ways you can go about changing this, trying to bypass it. Now I'll show you a couple. We could, let's see. Let's go ahead and exit out of this. Let's fire up Burp Suite. There's multiple ways you could get around this, but let's go ahead and give you a couple examples on how you would do that. Let's go ahead and fire up proxy, upload image. Let's go here, right here. This is our shell. Alright. Now, before we get any further, I'd like to show you what a normal image, like a JPEG, would look like. So let's go ahead and bring this down here. Let's turn this off. Browse. Let's go back to the what.1.jpg. And let's fire it up again. Upload. Let's see. I think I know what happened. There we go. So this one right here, the first one, was our weebly.php. And we see the content type application xphp, and that's what's inside of it. That is our shell. Look at the let's look at the JPEG. You see here it says, hey, so what.1.jpg, content type image / JPEG, and JFIF. Let's see. Copy. Let's see if we can have some fun with this. So now some of these aren't going to work, but you know, once again, I'm just showing you different ways you can go about, you know, trying to bypass an upload by doing some cool little tricks. So let's navigate back to the Weebly. Let's go ahead and fire up proxy again. Alright, as we can see there, we have that. You could let's see, JFIF. Oh yeah, we gotta send it to the repeater. Let's go over here. JFIF. Now we could try that. Let's see what happens. Sorry, only JPEG. Could also change this to JPEG. Send it go. The file weebly.php.jpg has been uploaded. Sweet. Let's go ahead and go check that out. Go ahead and disable this. Let's refresh this. Let's go to uploads to weebly.php.jpg. Sweet. Open this up. Let's go back here. Do clear. I just canceled out a burp suite, by the way, on accident. So let's go ahead and do a Weebly again. HTTP 192.168.181 / uploads to / weebly.php.jpg. So remember, put the password hi. It's not letting us. Let's see. Try it again. So apparently we've been lied to. It's not working. Let's see if there's another one uploaded. Nope, that is the only one. Interesting. Well, don't give up hope. There are other ways to do this. So before I get into the way on how it was done, I'll show you some more little tips and tricks on how you could bypass this. So let's see. Weebly.php open. Let's fire up Burp Suite real quick. Now, like I said before, not all these methods are going to work every time. You know, it's just little cool tips and tricks on how you can go about possibly, going about it. So let's go ahead and throw on the proxy. Upload image. Let's go here. Send to repeater. Now we could do like, you know, PHP, try that. Sorry, your file is not an image. Oh, that sucks. Let's try .jpg. File is not an image. File already exists. Huh. Go Weebly 25. File is not an image. So at this point we can see it is more than likely checking the contents of what is inside the supposed image we are trying to upload. Now you can copy over headers, you know, all that other stuff. We could take, let me see. Oh yeah, I deleted all those. Let me show you another way. So you know, you can change the extensions. Let me go back to the repeater. You could put like PHP to bypass it. PHP. You could do like PHP dot JPEG. You could do like dot ASP, or not that, but like GIF. All kinds of stuff. But I'm gonna show you another way. We're gonna copy over completely disable. Let's go. Hold on. Let's cancel this. Go browse. Let's go ahead and open this again. Let's fire up the proxy. Upload. So, since it's checking the content of what's actually inside of this, you know, image, as we can see here, all this is what's inside the what.1.jpg. Alright. So another thing we could try is, let's take that content and put it before our let's see, our Weebly shell. So weebly.php. Let's go fire up proxy, upload image. Let's go down here. As we can see, send it back to repeater. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to nano out the what1.jpg. Okay, wait, hold on, my bad. I did not mean what. Alright, hold on. 1 second. Let's see. Alright. So, go ls. We're going to cat out the what1.jpg and the weebly.php to one combined file now called, let's name it Zorz.php.jpg. Alright. Bam. Let's see if we could upload this. Let's go ahead and get rid of Burp Suite. But yeah, you can copy over the headers. Do a lot of cool stuff with this. Different means to bypass the filtration or the checks they're doing. But that's about all with Burp Suite. So you can disable that. Let's go and browse. What do we name it? Zorz? Yeah, Zorz. Let's see if this will upload. Success! Zorz.php.jpg has been uploaded. Let's go ahead and check that out. So here we go. Whoa. Alright, so remember before we used Weebly, the URL 192.168.181 slash loads2 slash zorz.php.jpg. And remember from earlier we set the password to hi. So after that, hi. And there we go. We have a web shell. Once again, we can, do all this cool stuff. We could do like ID, we can cat stuff, all that cool mumbo jumbo awesome sauce. So let's go ahead and exit out of that one. Let's go check out uploads 3 now. So wow, it's taking a while to load. Huh. That is strange. There we go. Alright, so for this one, let's go ahead and do the same thing we did before. Let's go upload. I don't know why this is taking so long. Should go right through. Ugh. Wow. This is strange. Alright, so if this doesn't load in the next couple of seconds, I'm going to show you the same method on upload 3, on upload 2. So, alright, it's not wanting to load, so yeah, let's just use uploader 2. Sorry about that, I guess, them demo gods are shitting on the parade today, so it's going pretty smooth before then, but hey, something always gotta happen. So for this one, it's gonna be the same method. We're gonna cat it out, but we're gonna use I'm gonna show you how to use a reverse shell and catch it with netcat, which is pretty cool, useful, Once again, there's a lot of different ways you can do this, but I'm just gonna show you this one. So let's go ahead and let's go back to the page, and actually let me do this first. So what we're gonna do before, like we did before, we're gonna cat out the what. Sorry, I had the CD to desktop. Let's cat out the what1.jpg. Okay, before I do this, this PHP reverse shell is from Pentest Monkey. You can download it straight from his website. Once you get it, you are gonna have to alter it. So we're gonna nano this out. Go ahead and close this. Alright, so if we scroll down, you will come across this right here. Now this IP is your host machine, or the attacking IP, and the port is the port on your machine which you want to connect back to. So what we're going to use netcat to listen to on. If you don't know your IP or how to get that, just fire up a terminal once again, hit ifconfig as I showed you earlier, and whatever interface you're using, right there is where it's going to be. So that's how you find that. Now you can put whatever port you want, just make sure that port is not already in use. I've ran into some troubles before where I've tried to show other people in the port I used or set was in use by another service running, and it just kind of gets little interesting and frustrating sometimes. But make sure you set it to one that's not being in use. Let's go ahead and get back to the thing now. Cat out the what1.jpg to the PHP reverse shell. We're gonna name this hi.php.jpg. Oh, and let me show you. Maybe wondering what's so special about this is because it's gonna why we have to put the image first before the shell. And let me show you why. One.jpg no.php.jpg. So let's go ahead and cat out the hi. So actually let's do nano hi.jpg. As we can see here, the image source is put before our PHP shell, reverse shell. So if we cat nano out the no.php. It looks like I spelled it wrong. So PHP reverse shell what1 no.php.lol.php.jpg. Alright, so let's nano this out now. This is going to show our PHP shell first. So if we scroll down, we're going to see then after that the image. So let's go ahead and try and upload the LOL whatever first, and you'll see that we're going to run into some errors with that one. So here we go. File is not an image. Sorry, your file is not uploaded. Once again, it's checking the source. Let's go ahead and try our what did we name that one? Oh yeah, hi. Let's open it up. Let's upload it. Success. So as we can see, it is checking the source. So let's go ahead and navigate to uploads to. Let's go to hi.php.jpg. Now, for this one to work, unlike Weebly that's automatically going to connect, this is a reverse shell. Let's go ahead and go back to this fire up netcat. So nc-nvlp, and I think it was like 5852. So there we go. Alright, let's go back to the web page, and let's click here. It hangs. I wonder why it's hanging. Let's go check out the netcat, and bam, we've got a shell. So we can once again use system commands. This same method will also work for upload 3. I'm not sure why uploader 3 is not working. Once again, I guess the demo guys are just not happy today. But that's how you do this upload challenge. It was a lot of fun. There's 2 other uploader challenges, VMs that were uploaded. They're not really upload, but they were uploaded. You can find them at tophatsec.com. Alrighty, well, it looks like we're running into another problem. Well, it's just, I don't feel like messing with all that, so let's just keep it simple. You can go to tophatsec.com, there's Freshly, Fart Knockers, and Zorz. Zorz I just showed. They're a lot of fun. I recommend them to anybody, beginner or not. You'll learn a lot if you've never done it before. It will be a challenge. If you need help and all that stuff, you can always join the forum. ask people there. You know, you can always just message me on the forum too. Normally there a lot. Um, you know, if you're in chat, ask people. You know, might catch me in chat. Um, but yeah, if you're not part of the forum, I recommend joining. You know, they welcome all skill levels. Very friendly. You know, if you have a question, it normally gets answered pretty quick. Um, all that cool stuff. But hey, that's it for this video. This is Overdose, and I'm out.